In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 3, exercise 12.2, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. See figure. Observe this question in which we are having gulab jamun, 45 gulab jamuns we are having, and shape of gulab jamun is what? Shaped like a cylinder, with two hemispherical ends. What about the shape of gulab jamun? Gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispherical ends, and length of this gulab jamun is 5 cm and its diameter is what? 2.8 cm. So half of the diameter will be what? Radius. So we are getting 1.4 cm is radius of each gulab jamun. Clear? And now total length we are having 5 cm. Two hemispherical having this gulab jamun, it means diameter is 2.8 cm. So radius of a hemisphere is what? 1.4 cm. So radius equal to this one, what? From this point to this point, height of this hemisphere is what? Equal to radius, and this is equal to what? 1.4 cm. This is 1.4 cm and this is 1.4 cm. So total we are having 5 cm. So what about the height of a cylinder? So total length 5 minus height of a hemisphere plus height of a hemisphere. So total height will be what? 2.8. We are subtracting from total length, then we are getting 2.2 centimeter is what? Height of a cylinder. From this point to this point, this height is what? 2.2 centimeter. Clear? So we want what? We want find approximate how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. Quantity of syrup we want to find in 45 gulab jamun. And a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. So first we should find the volume of each gulab jamun. Then we will multiply it by 45. Then we will obtain volume of 45 gulab jamun. 45 gulab jamuns. Clear? And then 30% of total volume. 30% of total volume we are getting what? Quantity of syrup contains. Quantity of syrup found in gulab jamuns. Clear? So first we will calculate volume of one gulab jamun. And volume of one gulab jamun equal to what? It is having cylinder and two hemisphere, and ends of a cylinder what? Hemisphere. So we can say 2 times of volume of a hemisphere, 2 times 2 times volume of a hemisphere plus volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Clear? Volume of one gulab jamun we are calculating, and gulab jamun containing what? Cylinder and 2 hemispheres. So volume of a 2 hemisphere plus volume of a cylinder will be gulab jamun volume of one gulab jamun. Clear? Now what about the formula? 2 times of a volume of a hemisphere is what? Hemisphere. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So what about the volume of hemisphere? This will be 2/3 pi r cube plus volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Clear? Now take pi r square as a common, then we are getting 2 2 ja 4/3 r plus h. Now put the values. Pi is what? 22/7. R is what? Diameter of a jamun we are having 2.8. So half of diameter will be what? 1.4 centimeter. So 1.4 into 1.4 into 4/3 into radius is what? 1.4 plus height of a cylinder. H is what? H is the height of a cylinder. Total length of a jamun we are having 5 centimeter, but this length we will subtract this one and this one part. What? This is the height of a hemisphere, this is the height of a hemisphere. So height of a hemisphere is equal to radius of a hemisphere. Similarly for this one, so 1.4 plus 1.4 we are subtracting from the 5, then we are getting what? 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter is the height of a cylinder. From this to this one, this is the height of a cylinder, and it is what? 2.2 centimeter. Clear? Now solve this one. Observe, remove these points. What we are getting? 100. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja what? 10, 0, 50. Clear? Now solve this one. 25 times. Solve, divide from 2. 25 times it is going, and this is 7 times it is going. Clear? Now 7 times it is going. So remaining things are 22 into 7 divided of 25 into, remove this point, in the denominator we are getting 10, remove this one, in the denominator we are getting 10. Solve. 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 7 4 ja 28 divided of 15. Clear? Plus 5 times and 11 times, 11/5. So what things are remaining? Multiply both. 7 2 ja 14, 1 is remaining. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15 divided of 24. What about the LCM? 15 is the LCM. So we are getting 28 plus 15 divided of 5. 3 times it is going, multiplied by 11, then 33. Clear? So observe, 154 divided of 25 into 8 plus 3 11, 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 61 divided of 15. Clear? Now multiply both, multiply numerators and denominators. 154 into 61. What things? Once we multiply, we are getting 9394 divided of, multiply 25 5 ja 125, 5 1 is remaining, 12 is remaining. 25, 1 ja 25, 25 plus 12, 37 centimeter cube. This is what? Volume 9394 divided of 375 centimeter cube is the volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun we calculated. Now what about volume of 45 gulab jamun? I am writing this side. Now volume of 45 gulab jamun. Volume of 45 gulab jamun will be, one gulab jamun volume is this one, 45 gulab jamun volume multiplied by 45 of one gulab jamun volume, and one gulab jamun volume is what? 9394 divided of 375. Solve this one. 5 9 ja 9 5 ja 45, 5 7 ja 35, 2 is remaining, 5 5 ja 25. Clear? So we are getting 9 into this one, 9 into 9394. Once we multiply, then we are getting what? 84546. Multiply both. 9394 into 9, we are getting 84,546 divided of 75. Once we divide, then we are getting 1127.28 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamun. We require what? Quantity. Hence quantity of syrup. Hence quantity of syrup found in 45 gulab jamun equal to what? A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. One gulab jamun volume is this one. 45 gulab jamun volume is this one. And syrup containing quantity is what? 30% of its volume. So total volume of 45 gulab jamun is what? 1127.28 centimeter cube. So syrup containing in total volume, sugar syrup containing in total volume will be what? 1127.28 multiplied by sugar containing is what? 30%. 30% means 30 upon 100. Solve this one. Once we multiplied and solved, then we are getting what? 338 multiplied and solved, then we are getting 338.184 centimeter cube. So approximate it is what? 338 centimeter cube will be what? Quantity of syrup found in 45 gulab jamun. This is what? Quantity 338 centimeter cube. This is the required answer. Observe again what we are doing in this question. Question having 45 gulab jamun, and gulab jamun having length, each gulab jamun having length 5 centimeter and diameter is what? 2.8 centimeter, and it is having cylinder with two hemisphere. Its shape, one gulab jamun shape is what? Cylinder with two hemisphere ends. Clear? So diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So radius of a cylinder or radius of a hemisphere is what? Half of this one. So it is what? 1.4 centimeter. Clear? Now we require the height of a cylinder. So height from this point to this one, this is what? Height of a cylinder. So we will remove the height of a hemispheres. So height of a hemisphere is equal to what? Radius of a hemisphere. And radius of a hemisphere is what? 1.4. So 1.4 plus 1.4 is what? 2.8. And once we remove 5 total length minus 2.8, then we are getting 2.2 centimeter is what? Height of a cylinder. Now total gulab jamuns are what? 45. One gulab jamun volume is what? 2 into volume of a hemisphere plus volume of a cylinder. We know well the formulas of volume of a hemisphere and volume of a cylinder. We are writing and putting the values, solving, then we are getting one gulab jamun volume. But we are having 45 gulab jamun, so we will multiply this volume from 45. Then we are getting 45 gulab jamun volumes. 1127.28 centimeter cube is what? Volume of 45 gulab jamun. But we want what? Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45. Syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. Each gulab jamun containing sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Whatever volume we are having, 30% will be what? Sugar syrup. So total volume we are getting this one. Its 30% will be what? Quantity of syrup found in the 45 gulab jamun, and this is what? Approximately 338 centimeter cube. This is required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.